Honor Magic 7 RSR Porche design has unveiled. Hello guys, you are watching QSQ Technology channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The Honor Magic 7 RSR Porche design will be LTPO AMOLED touch screen display with big 6.8 inches screen size and 1.5K resolution and have support for 100 watt and 80 watt wireless fast charging. The Honor Magic 7 RSR Porche design will be 50 megapixel OV50K primary sensor with accompanied by 50 megapixel ultra wide angle secondary camera with 120 degree field of view and 25 macro mode capacities. Honor Magic 7 RSR is also tipped to include 200 megapixel telephoto sensor with a periscope lens. It is said to have support for OIS up to 3x optical zoom and 100x digital zoom. It will also likely get a dual electromagnetic motor ALC coating, a 1200 point D2OF blue focus module, and a Felix sensor. The company has already teased that the Honor Magic 7 RSR Porche design will get the industry first periscope telephoto ultra large aperture, as well as the industry's first dual electromagnetic focus motor. The phone has Android 15 based Magic OS 9 with a quad curve design and a 120Hz refresh rate. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.